10 years after Mother Nature offered up this destructive display in Hoboken, New Jersey, there are lessons to be learned from Superstorm Sandy.
I had no idea.
You just have to know where to look.
It's pretty much the only way to deal with it in this area, to kind of get rid of some of the concrete and put some places where water can actually go when it floods, because it will flood.
Underneath the serenity of Hoboken's Southwest Resiliency Park, engineers installed massive stormwater collection tanks.
We're not perfect, but we are better prepared now than we were 10 years ago.
Hoboken Chief Resiliency Officer Caleb Stratton says a system of levees, rain gardens, and underground resiliency parks help protect the city's antiquated sewer system and low-lying roads from flooding.
It buys us time. The parks as defense strategy is part of a larger strategy that came out of Sandy, where we're doing seawalls, gates, and levees to prevent storm surge. We don't have sewers that are like a river or a stream where we can convey water out of town. We have to build infrastructure to act as a sponge.
Sandy was, of course, a destructive force on New Jersey's shores, wiping out beaches and homes along the Atlantic Ocean. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy was in Hoboken Friday. He noted how the city's $230 million federally funded storm mitigation project underscores the need to also focus rebuilding efforts inland.
After all, Sandy did not just impact the shore, it left our cities under feet of water as well.